Did you know there's one driving habit so deadly it can instantly destroy your transmission and make your parked car roll away? Whether you're an experienced or a new driver, you might be unknowingly making transmission-killing mistakes that cost $3,000 plus to fix. Stay tuned, because if you skip to the end, you'll miss the warning signs that could save your transmission today. Mistake number 15. Shifting into neutral at stoplights. Many drivers think it's better to shift into neutral while waiting at a red light or in stop-and-go traffic. However, this can actually harm your car and compromise safety. Keeping the car in drive D and using the brake is the correct approach. Leaving your car in neutral places unnecessary stress on the transmission, especially in automatic vehicles, and can lead to long-term damage. There are also safety risks. If traffic ahead suddenly moves, a car in neutral may respond more slowly, increasing the chance of collisions. Keeping your car in drive maintains immediate control and ensures a smoother, safer start. Modern vehicles are designed to handle idling in drive efficiently, so there's no fuel-saving advantage in shifting to neutral. Mistake number 14. Using 2 feet while driving. Are you keeping your left foot on the brake and your right foot on the gas? Stop! Modern automatic cars are designed for 1-foot operation. Using both feet creates dangerous confusion and mechanical stress, sending conflicting signals to your car's systems. This can cause erratic shifting, brake overheating, wasted fuel, reduced performance, and even system failures. 2-foot driving also slows reaction times and increases the risk of pressing the wrong pedal in emergencies. Unlike manuals, automatics only require 1 foot. Respect the engineering, protect your brakes, and stay safer on the road. Mistake number 13. Putting your car in neutral while driving downhill. Never shift your car into neutral when driving downhill. Doing so reduces your control over the vehicle's speed and movement, creating a serious safety risk. Without engine resistance, your brakes must work harder to slow the car, increasing the chance of overheating and brake fade. Instead, use engine braking by downshifting into lower gears, such as 2 or 1, which helps control speed safely. Apply the brakes gently and steadily, rather than relying solely on brake pads to prevent wear and overheating. Always maintain a comfortable speed, using posted speed limits as a guide. Driving in neutral won't save fuel in modern vehicles because newer cars automatically cut fuel when coasting. Additionally, in some states, coasting in neutral is illegal and can result in fines. Mistake number 12. Driving through deep water. Most cars approach water with all the aquatic skill of a house cat, yet even shallow puddles can spell disaster for your transmission. Automatic transmissions have vents poorly positioned, allowing water to enter and ruin your transmission fluid, turning it milky. Water contamination destroys lubricating properties, causing overheating, increased friction, and rapid component failure. It also leads to corrosion, weakening gears, bearings, and other metal parts. Repair costs often exceed the car's value, making water damage a total loss scenario. Avoid water deeper than half your wheel height. If you must cross shallow water, proceed slowly and steadily. If your fluid turns milky afterward, professional inspection or complete replacement is necessary. A single misstep can trigger thousands in repairs. Mistake number 11. Using neutral while driving in traffic. Shifting to neutral in stop-and-go traffic might seem logical, but it's actually dangerous and damaging. In neutral, you lose the ability to accelerate quickly in emergencies, potentially turning minor situations into major accidents. Your brakes also work harder without engine braking assistance, leading to premature wear and reduced effectiveness. Constantly shifting between neutral and drive wears out transmission components and disrupts fluid circulation, causing overheating. Stay in drive during traffic stops. Your transmission is designed to handle it, and your safety depends on instant acceleration capability. Mistake number 10. Not using the emergency brake. Whether parked uphill, downhill, or on flat ground, you should always use the emergency brake. Ignoring it puts enormous stress on your transmission's parking pawl, a small component not designed to hold your vehicle's weight. Over time, this stress can weaken or break the pole, potentially allowing your car to roll unexpectedly. The emergency brake provides mechanical holding power, protecting the transmission and extending its life. Manual drivers already know this, but it's equally important for automatic vehicles. Think of the emergency brake as cheap insurance. Using it every time you park safeguards thousands in repairs. Mistake number 9. Resting your hand on the gear selector. That innocent habit of resting your hand on the gear shifter is slowly destroying your transmission's control mechanisms. The shifter connects to delicate linkages and cables that weren't designed to support weight or constant pressure. This seemingly harmless contact creates wear and misalignment that compounds over time. Eventually, this abuse leads to sloppy shifting, improper gear engagement, and expensive transmission repairs. From a safety perspective, keeping one hand on the shifter reduces your steering control and slows your reaction time in emergencies. Professional drivers know the rule: both hands on the wheel, shifter only when needed. Your transmission and your safety depend on it. Mistake number 8. Leaving your car and drive while sitting. Many drivers make the mistake of leaving their car and drive while sitting, whether waiting for someone or taking a short break. If you plan to remain stationary for any extended period, always shift into park or turn the engine off. Keeping the car in drive engages the transmission and keeps the engine working harder than necessary, generating extra heat. Over time, this can lead to engine overheating, which may damage critical components such as cylinder heads, seals, gaskets, and even the cooling system. Repeated or severe overheating can cause permanent engine damage, leading to costly repairs or replacement. To prevent unnecessary wear, fuel consumption, and mechanical stress, always shift to park and use your parking brake when stationary. Protecting your engine now saves headaches later. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Mistake number 7. Not warming up transmission in cold weather. Cold transmission fluid flows like refrigerated honey, thick, sluggish, and slow to circulate. When temperatures drop below freezing, hydraulic fluid thickens dramatically, forcing gears, clutches, and other internal components to push through this resistance. Shifting becomes rough and jerky, with metal parts grinding against each other as they wait for proper lubrication. Over time, this silent wear can significantly reduce your transmission's lifespan and lead to costly repairs. To protect your vehicle, allow 30 to 60 seconds of idle time in freezing conditions. This brief pause lets critical fluids warm up and circulate, preventing the mechanical equivalent of a cold shock. For the first mile or two, drive gently. Smooth acceleration, gradual braking, and no sudden lane changes. Even modern automatic transmissions, designed for efficiency, benefit from this short warm-up. A small investment in patience now prevents premature wear, extends transmission life, and saves you thousands in potential repair costs. Mistake number 6. Launching your car. Hard acceleration. Feel the need for speed? Hard launches in automatic cars are transmission suicide. Unlike manual transmissions where you control the clutch, automatics use complex torque converters and hydraulic systems never designed for drag strip abuse. When you floor it from a standstill, you're creating a power surge that overwhelms these delicate components. The torque converter bears the brunt of this abuse, overheating and losing efficiency with every hard launch. Your transmission fluid, the liquid that keeps everything cool and lubricated, breaks down rapidly under extreme stress, leaving internal components vulnerable to catastrophic failure. The drivetrain suffers too. Axles, differentials, and drive shafts experience shock loads they weren't built to handle. Don't forget your tires. Aggressive acceleration creates excessive wear, meaning you'll be buying new rubber far more often. The math is simple. Smooth acceleration equals longevity, while hard launches equal expensive repairs. Mistake number 5. Coasting in neutral. Think coasting in neutral saves fuel? Think again. This widespread myth is actually a transmission destroyer in disguise. Modern automatic transmissions are engineering marvels that depend on constant engine connection for proper lubrication and hydraulic pressure. When you shift to neutral while moving, you're essentially cutting off the lifeblood to your transmission's internal components. Here's what's really happening. Without engine power, your transmission's oil pump can't maintain proper pressure, starving critical parts of lubrication. This creates metal-on-metal contact, generating heat and wear that accumulates into transmission failure. From a safety standpoint, you're also eliminating engine braking, that natural resistance that helps control your speed on hills and saves your brake pads from overheating. The fuel economy myth? Completely false. Modern fuel-injected engines actually use zero fuel when coasting in gear, while neutral coasting forces your engine to burn fuel just to idle. You're literally wasting money while damaging your car. Mistake number 4. Avoiding routine transmission service. Skipping transmission maintenance because it seems fine is like avoiding the dentist until your teeth fall out, an expensive gamble. Modern transmissions are packed with computing power, solenoids, sensors, and electronic controls, all working together like a high-precision ballet. These components wear down gradually, often giving subtle warning signs long before total failure. Regular service catches these issues before they turn into costly disasters. Schedule a full transmission service every 60,000 miles, even if everything feels normal. Many catastrophic failures start small. issues that could have been fixed for a fraction of the cost. Lifetime, fluid, marketing fiction. Modern transmissions need attention. Stay ahead, protect your investment, and save thousands on repairs while keeping your car performing like new. Mistake number 3, running on empty. Here's a shocking truth. Driving with less than a quarter tank of gas is like playing Russian roulette with your fuel system. Your fuel pump lives inside the gas tank, completely dependent on gasoline for cooling and lubrication. When fuel levels drop dangerously low, this pump starts overheating, leading to premature failure that can cost you $500 or more. But wait, it gets worse. At the bottom of every gas tank lurks a cocktail of dirt, debris, and contamination. When you're running on fumes, your fuel pump becomes a vacuum cleaner, sucking up all this garbage and sending it straight to your engine. This toxic mixture clogs fuel filters, damages injectors, and creates a domino effect of expensive repairs throughout your entire fuel system. The nightmare doesn't end there. Running completely empty introduces air bubbles into your fuel lines, creating pressure chaos that haunts your fuel pump even after refueling. This leads to engine misfires, power loss, and long-term damage that could leave you stranded at the worst possible moment. The solution? Never let your tank drop below 1/4 full. It's cheap insurance against expensive disasters. Mistake number 2, shifting gears while moving. Shifting gears while your car is moving creates mechanical chaos inside your transmission. Automatic transmissions rely on precise synchronization between vehicle speed and internal gear engagement. When you shift modes while moving, you create violent mechanical shocks that damage clutch packs, bands, and hydraulic systems. The parking pall, a small but critical component, faces the worst abuse. If you try shifting to park while moving, this pall can shatter, leaving your car unable to stay parked securely. Repairs for this damage often require complete transmission rebuilds costing thousands of dollars. Safety-wise, sudden gear changes can lock wheels, cause skidding, and lead to loss of control. The rule is non-negotiable. Complete stop first, then shift gears. Mistake number 1, shifting into park while driving. The transmission killer. Attempting to shift into park while your car is still moving is perhaps the most destructive mistake on this list. The parking pall, a small metal tooth that locks your transmission, gets hammered against rotating components, often breaking instantly. A broken parking pall means your car can roll away even when parked, creating dangerous situations and expensive repairs. The transmission damage often extends beyond the pall itself, affecting gear teeth and shift mechanisms. This mistake can also cause sudden wheel lockup, leading to skidding and potential accidents. Always ensure complete stops before engaging park, no exceptions. Remember, your automatic transmission is a precision instrument that demands respect. Treat it right with these simple habits, and it'll serve you faithfully for hundreds of thousands of miles. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.